Hi everyone, welcome back to the 24th episode of the Learn, Invest, Grow Show. Today, Adam and I are very excited to share a special property tour we did recently in Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. It was such an amazing trip with Daniel and Edrei, managing partner of TCS Anika Homes. How did you like it, Adam?
It was awesome. Daniel gave us a first class tour in his brand new G Wagon. And we are looking forward to sharing our case study in the near future. So stay tuned on that. And we hope you enjoy our property tour. And remember to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. Thank you. Hi, everyone. It's Adam.
Hey here, we are in Philly.
We're in Philadelphia and we are getting ready to go on the property tour. As you know, we've been investing. We closed on two funds, Fund 2 and 3 with TCS Anika Homes as an LP investment. And we're off for the property tour. We'll show you the inside very soon.
Yeah, 6049 Allman is a Fund 4 property that we just bought. We have not yet pulled the permits on it, so you'll get to see kind of what a start looks like. Before we get busy.
Just so everybody knows, we're with Daniel, Edrei, managing partner at TCS Anika Homes, myself, Adam. We have Tei in the back, and my beautiful wife, Gracie. So here we are, our property tours. Look at this. This is amazing. So this is, what part of Philly is this? This is north or?
It's southwest.
Southwest Philly, okay.
We're going to be between southwest and west Philly.
Awesome. This is it. We buy something that is distressed as an investor. You buy an ugly house. You ever see the signs? We buy ugly houses. Well, this is an ugly house, and this is how you make money in this. And you turn this into a beautiful home for a nice family to live in.
No lights, unfortunately. So this, as you can see, is completely unrenovated. This unit is actually in better condition than most of what you see when we first buy them that are gut renovations. But okay, so here you have a living room. Now, one of the first things that we do is we will tear down these walls over here so that we have more of an open layout. And then we'll run, hardwood, engineered hardwood full through so that it gives it much more of an open feeling. So as you can see, there's nothing here that, that we're gonna keep. This is total gut renovation. We don't do finished basements because in our experience, it doesn't significantly increase the value. Now, there are some areas that we're investing in right now where we have really high ARVs that are like 230, 250. In those areas, we may finish the basement just so that we match our comps. And in those areas, we'll probably put in stone, we'll put in central air, we'll put in a second bathroom or a half bathroom. It all depends on whether, we don't overbuild for the market. So if the ARVs are there, we'll try and, achieve better ARVs. So as you can see, total good.
Wow.
So you guys started already here.
Probably the previous owner was going to do it themselves, and then they just decided, they didn't have the money, or
They left you a paint project.
3.
Oh, 3 bedroom.
Yeah. So that's actually, this is a small unit, but this is actually 2 bedrooms. One here and one small one over there. There's very small rooms. 1918 South Redfield. And this one should be complete or very near complete. Maybe some last minute punch list items.
Fund 3 investors. Here we go. This is a property we own. 1918 South Redfield.
Redfield, yeah.
That's what we own
go.
right here. Here we go. Let's take a look at it.
Sounds
So,
like
so
you-
before you saw something that was just bought, nothing done, and now we're coming into a. This is nice. I like the floor.
So we don't put in appliances until we have a tenant. The reason being, sometimes we put in appliances, people break in and they steal the appliances. So when we have a tenant, 2 days prior to, we'll bring in, appliances.
What is this?
So there'll be a stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Usually is over there, but I think in this case, because of the door, we'll probably put it
Oh, here.
Oh, yeah.
put it here.
What is this? Michael?
This is for Micah. This is, not high quality or anything, but, again, in some areas we will put in stone. It's worthwhile.
Backsplash.
This is a small kitchen. In some cases, we have bigger kitchens, in which case we'll put in more cabinets, In some cases, if the ARV is strong, we may decide to put in also a dishwasher. We may decide to put in washer and dryer,
Yeah, it's like
And where do you get your, I guess, all the cabinetry or appliances
The
from?
cabinetry is basically Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Yeah. So the appliances, we have an appliance vendor that we typically get them for. I can show you the basement. There's not much to show because it's a completely unfinished basement.
And this has central air as well, right?
No. Water heater and boiler and, everything is new. But
people usually use this space for like a
storage.
Oh, so you're not gonna like put flooring down?
No, it's not worth it. You don't get enough of an increase in ARV.
Got it.
To be worthwhile.
The cave.
Yeah.
Look at this. They can have their barbecue, put a nice grill out
Oh,
here.
did you know the cave is big?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
It was all cracked up and
Like over there.
So now you have a nice, so you're doing good for the neighborhood. That's the idea. We wanna provide something for a nice family to live in.
50, they're not huge rooms. This is probably 900-ish, 950 square feet, something like that.
So they got a little bed here, a little closet space. Little closet.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom. Oh, this is the bedroom right here. This is a 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
They're almost all 3 bedrooms with either 1 or 1.5 baths. That's most of what we do, 90%.
What kind of flooring system?
It's engineered wood,
Engineer.
but it's
Yeah, it's cool.
it's decent. It's decent grade, and it lasts, a good time.
It's better than carpet. That's for sure. Go on.
Bathroom,
Oh, there's skyline.
yep. A lot of them have skylights in the bathroom. It's-
And then you guys are gonna put, I guess, what, a curtain or,
the tenant will do it.
the tenant do it,
Yeah.
Nice.
So, I went with this kind of old New York type flooring and subway tiles, which I think is kind of timeless.
Yeah.
It's not, it's a little bit more than what we used to do, but it doesn't look like dated Home Depot crap.
Yeah, this will last, it's evergreen. Generally, like, when people live here, it's like, is it like a family or people like, who are roommates and stuff, or?
Most of them are families, you know, some of them are, you know, roommates. For the most part, they're families.
Fun 3, everybody. This is Fun 3, the proper. And when should this be leased up?
It's much nicer.
And was it the CO?
We're ready to go.
Look at the CO there.
Yeah, it's already gone to marketing, and they're probably doing showings this weekend.
Awesome.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. It's like, you know, I want to do something good. You know, I want to help improve a neighborhood. I like that helping people. And look, Tei, how do you
what
feel?
I said, yeah.
Yeah, I remember that when we first met.
Yeah,
At the
exactly,
office.
yeah. And we're already part of this process of beautifying the neighborhood.
Not just about, you know, making a return on your money, but you want to help. And this is what we're doing. We're helping.
Yeah.
You know, you got a whole bunch of houses here. Look at that. Eventually, that becomes nicer.
Yeah, one at a time, and we're gonna get 10 things at a time.
Make it nice for families. You know? Bring back Philly, the city of brotherly love. It's very, you know.
Wow, I like the paint already.
South Ogden is Fun 3.
3.
Fun 3. Here we go.
Run 3 property, wow.
Another one. Fun 3, everybody. We got Fun 3.
Oh, wow.
So here you
That's
see,
nice.
again, what, you know, the first house that you saw, this is walls, dividing walls, so we
Yeah.
just tore them all open, so that we have an open layout. We've got recessed lights here.
recess lights is nice. It's a nice kitchen. Much nicer.
Yeah, again, the same, you know, Formica. The appliances are not yet in, again. Just put some light on the papers.
Thank you.
So that's where the, I guess the stove goes.
Oh, you put it in the backlight too.
So it's stove, microwave, fridge.
Yeah.
Let's take
Does this one have sanctuary too, or no?
No, this is forced air for heating, but no air conditioning.
No, I was just gonna heat, right? How do you?
And how is the rent of this one?
This
Same?
is 13 to 13.50.
Oh, okay.
Something like that.
So when the
It
tenants,
depends each market where we are. It's
Okay,
slightly
this-
different. We look at the comps, we figure out what's the most we can get, and then.
so,
Again, it's like, you know, it's, as you can see, everything is basically.
The same.
The same, and we're not doing, you know, here to win creative awards of any kind. We're just here to create income.
it's cookie cutter, everything's the same.
Exactly, and that way there's economies of scale, we save money, you know, so on. It's just.
Yeah, that is.
And you kind of, you know your budget, so you kind of go in. It's
We
always
can
the same.
budget it very accurately.
Yeah.
So here's another one.
Fund 3. This is 230
South Albany.
South Alden. Right here, guy. Everybody, see right here. We're right here.
Yeah.
Each one is slightly different.
This is the master bet.
So we're hiring another project manager now. Right now, 2 project managers is not enough. So we have to increase, because we're building like 35 units at once now. So
Yeah, it's scaling up. You need more.
scaling up, we need some money to hire, more people.
Good, it's a good problem to have.
It is a good problem to have, exactly. Every morning, and he's seeing anywhere from probably 3 to 5 properties every morning. Then in the afternoon, we do the analysis, and then if we can make the numbers work, we make offers the same day. So we're very quick. We're an all-cash buyer, and we have good terms for the sellers. You know, we'll put as much as 10% down, you know, so they can feel confident that, you know, we're there. They get certainty of execution with us. Hopefully that enables us to buy cheaper.
Yeah, what fund is this property?
Fund 4.
All these are different.
There it is. This is order.
This, as you can see, is a very big floor.
It must be an occupier, like up until this one. Or...
Walls get removed. These walls over here get removed.
8:30 before.
So you can see. A lot of these, this is what they look like, you know, or worse.
Wow.
Some of them much worse even.
And people, they used to live, they don't live here. Like, how do you live here?
Yeah, huh? You'd be surprised. Often there's a lot to do.
Wow.
Just a demo on this will cost quite a bit.
Wow.
You gotta get rid of all this junk.
Oh man, they got 90. I got 30.
So as you can see, this is already, we've got drywall, we've got paint, they'll put in floors next. You know, this is already well on its way. Electrical, as you can see, all the rough-in electrical has been done. The rough-in plumbing also has been done. Slightly different than our typical unit, this one. As you can tell.
Interesting.
Looks like you're gonna have
Can we go up?
AC here.
No, because it's just 4 speed.
That's a big bedroom.
This, I guess, is the master bedroom.
It's really nice.
Which one is it for? Huh?
Which one is it?
33.
Oh, great. Right here.
You know,
It's a lot. And it's
I can't do all the other stuff I do if I do that also.
Yeah, it's
That's
a
why
lot.
I've gotta trust my project manager, I've gotta trust, you know, our project managers,
Yeah.
you know, and I've gotta trust going in that my acquisition guy is, you know, has my
Is your boots on the ground?
boots on the ground, exactly.
Yeah.
So there you have it.